Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Sagittarius fire sign. This is mid-month reading, June. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past, Sagittarius. This is general love reading. Okay, lot of cards are, but I am not taking any. Recent past, Sagittarius, your recent past. Okay, your recent past is the moon, judgment, the sun. In your recent past, definitely there are some issues. For some there is also third party, but judgment is here. Definitely you will get justice, or you already got justice regarding the situation, because your person hides something from you. There are some hidden secrets in this connection, definitely. So what is going on your connection right now? Sagittarius. Okay, let's see what is going on your connection right now. Knight of Wands, the Hermit, Knight of Pentacles. I think your person want to come towards you after the separation. In past, if there is separation, definitely your person want to come towards you. Knight of Wands means this person in your life, in and out. And the Hermit, definitely he is thinking a lot and seeing the things clearly. The Hermit and Knight of Pentacles, he is coming, but it is slow but stable offer. So your person want to come towards you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Five of Cups, Four of Swords, Page of Cups. Sorry, you person feeling sad definitely for your separation, very sad and thinking about a lot. In meditation state, definitely I think there is less communication and no communication between both of you, but those who are in no contact, definitely there will be a communication is coming in your way. Apology, your person want to convey apology to you, definitely. So he feeling very sad for what he did in past. He realize your worth, then he want to apologize to you. So let's pull some cards from universe. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Temperance, Sagittarius, it's you. Six of Wands. Okay, Chariot, and the last card for the reading, Two of Swords. I think your person is indecisive, definitely blindfolded at some crossroads in past, but in mid-June definitely he will take decision and situation will get better. The Chariot is here, but patience and balance is needed in this situation, because your person wants success with you. Definitely there will be a progress in your love life, relationship wise, because your person want to apologize what they did to you, and they want to take things to next level. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius, and it could be any sign, air sign, water sign. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.